In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do basic audio mixing in DaVinci Resolve Fairlight. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve, then switch to the Fairlight page by clicking the musical note icon at the bottom of the screen. This is the dedicated audio workspace, and it gives you access to the mixer, meters, EQ, and dynamics you'll use throughout this mix. Before you touch levels, organize your timeline. Place your dialogue or voiceover on audio 1, your sound effects on audio 2, and your music on audio 3. Keeping elements on separate tracks makes balancing and processing much faster and cleaner. In the mixer, double-click each track name and rename them to something clear like dialogue, SFX, and music. Good labeling reduces mistakes, especially when projects grow. Next, reset your track faders to 0 dB by double-clicking each fader. This gives you a neutral starting point. Play through your timeline to hear the rough balance and watch the meters, so you understand where levels sit before making changes. Now use the fader sliders to blend the tracks. Bring the dialogue to a clear, consistent level first, since it's usually the focus. Then raise or lower the SFX so they support the story without overpowering the voice. Finally, pull the music down so it fills the background rather than competes. Listen for clarity and separation while keeping an eye on the meters to avoid peaks. For moments that are too loud or too quiet within a single clip, select the clip and adjust its volume in the inspector. For more precision, add volume keyframes directly on the timeline to create smooth fade-ins and fade-outs, or to dip music under important lines of dialogue. Open the EQ on your dialogue track by double-clicking the EQ section in the mixer, enable a high-pass filter, and roll off low frequencies below about 80 Hz. This removes rumble and handling noise that muddy speech, helping the voice sit forward without sounding boomy. Open the dynamics window on the dialogue track and enable the compressor. Lower the threshold until louder words are gently reduced, set a moderate ratio, and adjust attack and release so it sounds natural. The goal is even, intelligible speech without audible pumping. Finally, prevent clipping by setting a ceiling on your output. Enable a limiter and set the ceiling around -2 to -3 dB. This preserves headroom and keeps your mix clean on export. Play through one more time, make small fader tweaks, and you're done with a solid basic mix in Fairlight.